Alright, so this is the 2018 probability question on the Leaving Cert Ordinary paper. Question 3 says, find the number of different arrangements that can be made using all the letters of the word rainbow. Each letter is used only once. So, first of all, how many letters do we have? We have to count them up. So we have 7. So there are 7. I'm going to use the box method for this. So we have 7 possibilities. 2, 3, 7. So for the first letter, there are 7 letters to choose from. If we choose one of those letters, then there are only 6. And so on. 5 options, 4 options, 3 options, 2 options, 1. Now another way to write that would be 7 factorial. So in your calculator, if you didn't want to type all that in, we can just write 7. We look for the exclamation mark, which is above the 4. Second function 4 and equals. So here there are 5,040 different options. Alright, for the next one, find the number of different 3-letter arrangements. So this time we only have an option of 3 that can be made by using the letters, and each letter is used at most once. So same again, if we're choosing any letter here, we would have a choice of 7. We then have a choice of 6 and then 5, and they only want 3 letters. So if you want, you can put that into your calculator. 7 by 6 by 5, which is 210. Alright, for the next part, we have a spinner, and we have the angles of each of the sectors with the colour on it. So they've done one for us. So to find out as a fraction of the probability, if it's 72 degrees, how many degrees are there in a circle altogether? There's 360. So if we put 72 over 360, that will simplify down. So if we simplify down, we would get 1/5. So we just have to do that with all of them. So 30 over 360, we would get 1/12, and so on. So if we do that all the way, we would get 1/4, we would get 1/6. 18 degrees would be 1/20, and 45 over 360 would cancel to 1/8. So that is them as a fraction. Now, so we complete, that's a probability of getting it. Alright, 1/4, 1/6, and so on. But we win money depending on which sector we land on. So to find the expected value of the prize that a player wins, what you have to do is, obviously there's loads of different sectors, we have to multiply 1/5 by 20. We have to add that to 1/12 by 60 plus by 24, and so on. So if we write all that out, and it is important to write the whole thing out in an exam. Alright, this is how much we expect to win. You add all them, do that on your calculator, add them all together, you will get 31.50. And that's that.